In the Japanese language, we have two words means cold. Okay, so one word is samui, and then the second one is tsumetai. What is the difference? Okay, so samui means cold, but it means a cold temperature. Okay, and tsumetai means cold, but when you mention something you can touch. Okay, so for example, if you want to say, oh, today it's cold. 今日は which one? 寒いです because when you mention today is cold, you mean the air temperature. Okay, so 今日は寒いです. Okay, the another situation, if you go to the sea and then touch the sea water, the sea is cold. In that case, 海は冷たい。冷たいです。Because you mean the water, yeah, water is cold, and then water you can touch, yeah. So 海は冷たいです。Right? So that's the difference. The samui and tsumetai both means cold, but samui is for air temperature, 寒い. Tsumetai means the coldness, something you can touch. 海は冷たいです。